rain. The arch enemy of construction workers, builders, and homes in the middle of construction. Unless, of course, your home is built entirely inside of a factory. Unlike traditional construction, virtue-built homes aren't exposed to the elements until they are ready to be, which means the integrity of our homes is never compromised. Our clients never have to deal with delays due to inclement weather, and our employees can always count on us for a consistent paycheck, because integrity is just another one of our virtues.